Hi, I'm Hassan with WTI, and I consider privacy very important when it comes to using our phones in public transportation or around people that we don't know. And that's why for the last 3 to 4 years, I've been purchasing these privacy full coverage screen protectors for my iPhones. And this one is for my iPhone 13 Pro from JETech. And sometimes I have to use public transportation. It's important for me to have the privacy I need to deal with private information, or if I'm using my bank apps. I don't want anyone to see what I'm doing or maybe being in the risk of someone stealing my personal information. And that's why I find these anti-spy tempered glass film protectors so useful. This comes in a pack of two, which I appreciate. It is full coverage protection, and that's why it basically protects the whole screen. It comes with everything I need to wipe my phone screen before installation, and it also comes with some cleaning wipes and lift-in stickers, so it's really easy to install, no complications at all. I usually take up to 1 minute to install it. So easy, it's something anyone can do, and it comes with everything I need to install my screen protector. That's something I appreciate. It also comes with a little installation manual that helps me get through the process easily. But since I have purchased these screen protectors for a long time, I don't need to use it anymore because I literally know how to do it, and it's so quick and easy. So if you guys are looking for the perfect tempered glass screen protector, well, this one from JETech I recommend. I've used it for a long time, so it's my go-to, and that's my point of view.